Hey guys, welcome back to another desk trap video. Today we're gonna bring the phone down here. Ready? Oh no, I just broke my phone. Oh no, what just happened? Hello? What happened? Grandpa, do you hear me? Do you hear me, my heavenly grandpa, my father? These are dogs. You gotta watch them out. They're gonna hurt. They'll. I know. Did you?
Can't mess with the baler right now, bud. Nobody's back
Gabriel,
here.
we're leaving. Come on.
Did
Let's
you
walk
ask?
it home.
Did you?
No, I didn't take that off. I don't know who did, bud.
Can you ask like someone?
I'll ask around.
Here, put those-
Where's Dan? In here?
We're leaving, Gabe.